Here. I place the books, blank my backpack, blank the chair, blank the classroom. Again, do not forget the use of our prepositions. The prepositions of place. Is it A, on my backpack, in the chair, at the classroom? Or is it letter B, in my backpack, on the chair, in the classroom? Or letter C, at my backpack, on the chair, in the classroom? Or is it letter D, in my backpack, at the chair, on the classroom? Come on, comment your answer. Again, if we will be answering prepositions like these, let us try to visualize po. Ano, visualize natin. Where do we place the books? Luz Biminda says B, so as Ranel, Mary, Mary D, Edsel A, Nila B, inside my backpack, on the chair, inside the classroom. Ang sipag mag-type ni King, no? Kompleto talaga siya. How about the others? Nika, letter B, Ron B, Jennifer B, King B. I'm using my cell phone eh. Yeah, reading your chat, your comments, I have to use my cell phone because it's difficult to do alt tab in my laptop. Again, shout out to all our viewers right now all over the Philippines. Good evening. This is Coach Risa of Team Padayon, and I'm really happy with the engagement that we are receiving from our viewers. Thank you so much. Letter B is the correct answer. That's very fair. Ibnu says C. Taina A. Is it A? Okay, let's try to analyze. If your answer for number 3 is letter B, definitely that's correct. Where did you place the books? When we say inside my backpack, the books are inside the backpack. Diba? Nasa loob. So, in my backpack, again, such second blank naman, blank the chair, we keep on saying na this. On the surface of the chair, yung backpack daw ay nasa surface ng upuan. Nakapatong lang siya doon. And enclosed na naman, the chair. Where is the chair located? Inside the classroom. Okay. Very good. Again, let's try to visualize the objects ha. Isipin natin. Books inside the backpack. So, in. Backpack, yung backpack daw, it's touching the chair's surface. Nandun siya. On. Then, yung chair, nasaan siya? Inside the classroom. So, it's in. Okay, please do not forget that. Ha? Wag